Hello, and today I am working on a T5 transporter, and what I'm doing today is I am changing the pollen filter. Now the pollen filter on this vehicle is mounted up underneath the dash, underneath this plastic panel here. So what we've got to do is we've got to undo 3 torques. There's one here, one here, one over there in the corner, and they are T20s. So basically we will rip these 3 torques out quickly. 1. Right, now 3 torques are out. This pulls down, pulls out like so. The bottom cover out. So the pollen filter, now that cover's out, you can see the pollen filter housing. It's this thing here. It's held in with 2 little bolts here and here. So we've got to take these out now. Okay, there are 5.5mm bolts. We've got 1 there. One there. Do them. The cover falls out. So that's cover off, and there is your pollen filter in there, and out she slides basically. Pull that out. Make sure once you've got it out you remember which way your orientation of your filter goes. Right, after pulling that filter out, I have realised that the filter that was in here was actually pointing in the wrong direction, because the dirt was in the opposite side to what the flow of the actual air should be going. And in the new filter box comes with this instruction manual, and basically in the instruction manual it shows you there, if you can see that, it shows you the arrows pointing from this direction, so that is flowing in that direction. Basically the air flows, fan housing here, heater element there, pushes it through into the center box, so air flows in that direction. I'm going to put our new filter in. We want it to go in that way. There we go. Let's put the filter in. Yeah. So, airflow in that direction, as you can see from the little arrows pointing in that direction. Now we get our little cubby cover, hooks back in like that, get our screws, unscrew, bolts, secondary bolt, holes there, that one in, that's that. Okay, so that is back in. Now we get our cover. Now basically the cover has got 2 hooks on the back of it. I'll show you it from here. So if I show you, hook there, and then basically in the air box there's a hook here. Right. Turn this up like that a bit more. There's a hole here and one here on this side. and them two hooks hook up in that. So you get these two hooks, put them up in there, slide it in. That's up in place now. Now we just got to do the screws up. There you go. Right. Put the torque drives back in. T20 again. First one up in here. One. Second one. Two. Third one over here. There we go. Right, there you go. Covers all back in. Pollen filter's now done. So that is how you change a pollen filter on a T5 transporter. This one, I believe, is around about an 06. Yeah, this one is an 06 plate T5 transporter. This one is a Caravelle because it's got a full interior. And there you go. That's how she is. That's how you change a pollen filter. Hope that's been useful. If it has, please like and subscribe and share my videos about. Right. Thank you very much, and I'll speak to you again soon.